everyone. Do you want to add any gift card to your Apple Wallet for easy access? In this video, I will show you how to do it step by step. So now let's dive in. First, you will need to open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you will manage all your digital cards including gift cards. Next, tap the plus button in the top right corner of the screen and choose Add Card. From here, select the gift card option. Now, you can either scan the barcode of your gift card or manually enter the card details. Make sure the information matches exactly with what's on the physical card. Once you have entered the details, you may be prompted to verify the card. Follow any additional instructions from Apple or the gift card provider to complete the process. And that is how you add any gift card to Apple Wallet. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.